How to fix the country not changing in the Google Play Store on Android. This tutorial shows you how to resolve this issue and update your Play Store country successfully. First, open your Android settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Search for Google Play Store and tap on it to open the app info page. At this point, tap on Force Stop. Tap OK to confirm. After that, tap on Storage. From there, tap on Clear Cache and then tap on Clear Data. Once done, reopen the Play Store and try changing your country again. From here, if it's still not letting you change, open the Play Store and tap on your profile picture at the top right. Tap on Settings. At this point, tap on General and then tap on Account and Device Preferences. From there, look for the Country and Profiles option and tap on it. Tap on the country you want to switch to and follow the on-screen steps to confirm. Once done, keep in mind that you can only change your Play Store country once per year, so make sure you're switching to the right one. From here, if the option to change country is still not available, it may be because your Google Pay balance or active subscriptions are preventing the switch. Make sure your balance is empty and all subscriptions are canceled before trying again. Finally, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart. Once your device is back on, open the Play Store and check if the country has been updated successfully. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the country change issue in the Play Store, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.